Hi everybody, so I'm here with Tom, who as you can see is in fantastic condition. He's an athlete. I've been taking care of him for a while and you've been doing really great with your care.
Yep, absolutely.
So we're going to check you today and make sure that your body's functioning well. Before we start, how was the week?
It was pretty good. I had a hockey game on Tuesday and my back definitely got a little messed up there.
You got banged around?
Yeah.
You dished it out and you took a little?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so stand up for me and let's see how well things are balanced and in alignment. Okay, we want things balanced because balanced energy runs the body better than not balanced energy. So Tom, if you're relaxed, right, I'm not pulling on your arms. So if we look at the length of your arms, are you balanced or not balanced?
I feel like the left is unbalanced.
Well, you see, the left one is a lot shorter than the right one. I'm not pulling on your arms there. I'm just holding them out in front. All right, so there's definitely something going on. Let's check. Lie face down on the table, please. So the whole idea behind chiropractic care, a lot of people think it's about neck and back pain relief, which is what most people come to us with. But what's really going on is we're checking to make sure that the energy that runs between the brain and the body back to the brain again is able to flow with no interference. We look at the spine because that's the one area of the body that's most susceptible to going out of alignment and then irritating the spinal cord or the nerves. And then, of course, when the nerves get irritated, the energy doesn't flow so well. So the body's supposed to heal itself, and it's the energy that controls healing and all function. If you mess with it, that's bad. And if you remove the interference to that flow of energy, then that's always better. Now, in checking Tom, from understanding his previous examination findings and his progress, his spine and his lower back is definitely out of alignment. Lie on this side, Tom. Let's get that adjusted. So you just relax. This is the base of your spine. Just let this relax and roll right to me.
That was good.
Okay, lie on your back. Now we're going to fix the other side. Keep this straight. Bring this up. Good. And flat on your back. Sit up, Tom. Now, we're checking Tom's mid-back. You know, whether you play hockey or you have a desk job, the body's under stress, physical, chemical, emotional stress, every day of the week. Put your hands back here. Okay, we're going to adjust pinched nerves that are in Tom's mid-back. Just relax. Lie back on my hand. Breathe out, Tom. Good. Okay, and lie back. Now we're going to check your cervical spine, your neck. We're going to make sure that's not pinching any nerves going between your brain and body. Okay, let's adjust your neck. You got a lower neck vertebra that's out of alignment, pinching the nerves. How's the pressure, Tom?
Good.
Okay. Loosen that shoulder down. Good. Okay. Now, Tom, stand on up. Let's make sure that everything is balanced the way it should be. Okay. Now, if we recheck, how's that look?
Good.
It looks great.
Good.
Everything's balanced well. Your body adjusted beautifully. And now you're ready for a couple of weeks.
There we go. All right.
Good job, man.
Awesome. Feels good.